Want to recover deleted contacts on your iPhone? Here are 3 reliable ways. First, open Settings and tap your name at the top, then tap iCloud. Tap Show All under Apps using iCloud if needed, find Contacts and toggle it off. When prompted, choose Keep on my iPhone. This pulls down whatever was stored in iCloud, even if it was removed locally. Then toggle Contacts back on and choose Merge. Your deleted contacts should reappear. If that doesn't work, open a browser to iCloud.com, sign in with your Apple ID, tap the grid icon and choose Data Recovery. Select Restore Contacts, find the archive matching the date when the contact was deleted, and hit Restore. The contact is added back to iCloud and will sync to your phone automatically. As a third fallback, visit contacts.google.com in a browser, sign into your Google account, and look for the contact there if you had it synced with Google. If you find it, open the contact, tap the 3 dots, choose Export, pick the vCard format, and download it to your phone to re-import it. That's all it takes to get deleted contacts back. If this helped you, tap like, share your best recovery tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tech guides.